Hi, DNA versus RNA. Okay, DNA and RNA is a large molecule. DNA molecule is a structure that contained in the nucleus. It's very complex. It consists of polynucleotides, so many nucleotides. Same goes to RNA. Okay, it's a bigger molecule, but they both of them has their monomer. Okay, monomer that they have, we call it nucleotide. Alright, nucleotide. So this is a general structure of nucleotide for both DNA and RNA. Okay, this is for both of these. This is a general structure. So we have a pentose sugar because it has 5 carbon. We call it pentose sugar. So you're just going to draw oxygen in the middle, and it has 5 sides. Nitrogenous base at carbon number 1, and then phosphate group at carbon number 5. Okay, again, we're going to count the carbon is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5. Okay, so the band is very important. Okay, awak mesti bengkokkan lukisan tu, menunjukkan ada satu lagi carbon number 5 di sini. Okay, sorry ya, lukisan saya tak kemas sangat. So you can make sure you use ruler. Okay, now when the question I'm going to stick to nitrogenous base first. Okay, nitrogenous base ada 2 types, purine and pyrimidine. Okay, purine is a double ring. Okay, you can refer to your notes to look how purine look like. Okay, there are a few example of purine, which are guanine and adenine. Okay, guanine and adenine. Both of these has double ring, so that's why they are known as purine. The second one is pyrimidine. Pyrimidine consists a single ring, and the example for DNA, nitrogenous base for DNA is just cytosine and thymine. So DNA molecule, DNA nucleotide will either have any one of these. Okay, guanine, adenine, cytosine, thymine. While for RNA, same, purine, it has guanine and adenine, but for pyrimidine, it doesn't have thymine. It replaced by uracil. It will be replaced by uracil. So basically, kalau awak tengok secara umumnya, DNA and RNA, most of them are just the same, guanine, adenine, cytosine, but thymine hanya pada DNA dan uracil hanya pada RNA. Okay, so ini adalah contoh nitrogenous base yang boleh wujud dalam DNA atau RNA. Tapi ini adalah bentuk yang umum. And then pentose sugar ada 2 jenis. Kalau untuk RNA, kita panggil ribose sugar. Kalau untuk DNA, kita panggil deoxyribose sugar. Apa beza dia pada carbon number 2? Carbon number 2 adalah di sini ya. Carbon number 2 is here. So carbon number 2 tu sama ada oksigen ataupun tanpa oksigen. Okay. So kalau dia tak ada oksigen, deoxy, without oksigen, dia adalah DNA. Kalau dia ada oksigen, dia adalah ribose sugar. So the specific example is has been drawn here. So this is nucleotide. Kalau soalan tanya lukis DNA nucleotide, awak kena lukis spesifik. Okay, macam ni. Maksudnya awak punya pentose sugar pada carbon number 2, kita tahu deoxyribose sugar dia tak ada oksigen. No oksigen. Okay, ini ada oksigen. So bila dia tak ada oksigen, carbon number 2 hanya tinggal H. So mesti lukis H ni, wajib. Okay, and then carbon number 1 nitrogenous base boleh jadi G, boleh jadi A, boleh jadi C ataupun T. So all of the nitrogenous base yang list kat sini boleh ada kat sini. And then seperti biasa carbon number 5 bonded with phosphate group. This is DNA nucleotide, satu monomer. Okay, while on the other hand, kita tengok RNA nucleotide macam sama tapi ada perbezaan. So kita tahu dia punya sugar, pentose sugar dia bukan lagi deoxyribose tetapi ribose sugar, iaitu pada carbon number 2 dia ada O. Okay, dia ada O. So dia jadi OH lah, hydroxyl group, ada carbon number 2. So it is known not pentose sugar anymore, tapi nama dia yang spesifik adalah ribose sugar. And then nitrogenous base for the RNA adalah di atas ni. Boleh rujuk balik. Kita ada guanine, adenine, cytosine dan uracil. Tak ada thymine di sini. And phosphate group adalah sama. So kalau soalan tanya differentiate between DNA versus RNA, awak boleh highlight berkenaan the presence of O dekat carbon number 2 and then list of nitrogenous base. Okay, mesti tulis semua. Nitrogenous base for DNA nucleotide are GATC. Nitrogenous base for RNA nucleotide are GACU. Okay, so itu adalah perbezaannya. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.